Hey there, Globetrotters. Welcome back to our channel where we unravel the best travel tips and tricks to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Our mission? To turn travel blunders into badges of honor. So buckle up because today we're going to talk about something that can really save your time and money on your travels. Stay tuned. Let's dive right into it. Car rental at airports. It sounds simple, right? But trust me, it can be as tricky as trying to find a needle in a haystack. Now imagine this. You've just touched down in a new city. Your adrenaline is pumping and you're ready to start your adventure. The last thing you want is to be stuck in a long queue at the rental desk, or worse, find out that all the cars are already booked. It's like being ready to dive into a pool only to find out it's been drained. Not the best start to your trip, is it? Well, there's a simple solution to avoid this. Book your rental car in advance. It's like having a reserved parking spot in a crowded city. You know it's there waiting for you no matter when you arrive. Booking your rental car in advance has many benefits. Firstly, you get to skip those dreaded queues. Just like how you'd rather be lounging on a beach than waiting in line at the supermarket, right? Secondly, it ensures availability. Imagine planning a road trip only to find out the only car left is a two-seater and you have a family of 4. It's like trying to squeeze an elephant into a Mini Cooper. And let's not forget about the prices. Just like those early bird specials at your favorite breakfast spot, booking in advance can get you the best deals. It's like finding a designer dress at a thrift store price. Score. So let's put this into perspective. If you're traveling to a popular destination during peak season, cars can get booked up pretty quickly. And if you're left with limited options, you might end up paying through the nose for a car that's not even your first choice. It's like showing up late to a buffet and all that's left is cold pizza and wilted salad. So remember, folks, the early bird catches the best rental car deal. Now that's something to put on a bumper sticker. All right, time to wrap up our travel tip of the day. So remember, folks, when it comes to car rentals at airports, booking in advance is key. It's simple, it's savvy, and it's your ticket to smooth travels. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more travel wisdom. Safe travels, everyone, and remember, the world is your oyster.